Alright, this step explains how to check Hockey Calgary's naming of opponent teams for games and compare them what's in the Trails West GoalLine system. So this is right here, need to check HC or Hockey Calgary naming of other teams to ensure matches GoalLine names. So if I bring up the seeding round game or the seeding round schedule, which was provided earlier, you can see I've already got the filters and sorted on certain things, and what I want to do is I need to isolate by division or level or age group. The reason for that, that's how games are loaded into GoalLine or opponent teams are. So I'm just going to sort by Adam for now, and I can see here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sort the visitor names here in alphabetical order. It's just easier to do it that way, so I'll just sort. And I can tell by looking at Blackfoot Chiefs that makes sense. That's the way Hockey Calgary names them. In addition, Bow River Bruins, Bow Valley Flames. Now Crowfoot doesn't have naming, and again this file actually comes from Hockey Calgary. So I'm going to go check Crowfoot to make sure that these ones are named properly. So if you just go into Trails West, I'm in the master menu, you'll want to go pick let's say Adam 1. It doesn't actually matter what division, it just has to be one of the Adam teams. Then you click on Team Admin, and it says Add, Edit, Delete Teams, and this is for available scheduled games against. Click on it. And we're going to scroll down here and take a look. So we can see the Chiefs already, we see the Bruins, and then we're looking for Crowfoot here. Okay, and you can see that the Crowfoot doesn't have a name of the team, which is correct because that lines up against the file, Crowfoot 1 through 7. So if we go back and check against, there we have Crowfoot 1 through 7. In fact, Crowfoot 8 there, just in case they add another team. Keeping going down the schedule, you want to look for Glen Lake Hawks, good. Breakers, Mustangs, Mavericks, good. Warriors, good. Oh, Saints, that's probably worthwhile checking because it is, make sure that that lines up. That looks a little odd. So you want to go back and check the Saints, keep on scrolling down. And we can see, yeah, we got Saints 1 through 7 there, which is good. While we're on the screen, you can see the Bolts. And then, oh, Simons Valley, that doesn't look right. We know Simons Valley changed their uniform naming of every one of their teams to Storm. So there we go. So we know we have, that doesn't line up. So I'm going to just mark those in yellow. Let's go check Southland. Southland matches. Southland doesn't name their team, so we're good there. Springbank, they don't name their teams either, so we'll just go back and check to make sure. And Springbank, we're good there. 1, 2 through 9, 10, 11, 12, we're good there. Alright, so we do need to change Simons Valley, and we're good with Southland, so take those off. So we just actually need to change the Storm and add those. Best way to do that is you go into your Simons Valley, and you can see 1 through 12 teams. Although this schedule just says 1, 2, 5, and 6, it's best to change all the numbers, and the reason for that is in all likelihood we haven't selected all the teams. So it's Simons Valley Storm. So click on Edit. Given that you're going to have to do this a number of times, you just go Storm, and before you hit Enter, just save the Storm plus the first space. Copy that, Control C, and then you enter. And you can now see that we've changed. Scroll down here, go check Simons Valley, and there's Simons Valley 1 Storm, and we have all the rest to do. Well, I'll just change 10 here, show you one more time. Again, click Edit. If you're just pasting the name in, Simons Valley Storm, hit the Enter button. It'll actually do its work. And scroll down, and you can see we've edited it. So that's how you do change the name of teams to match Hockey Calgary's upload file.